Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss details about the general equation of circle. So what is the general equation of circle? The general equation of circle will be, that is the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, where if this represent a equation or general equation of circle, okay, so the center of the circle representing this equation will be minus g and minus f, and radius of the circle is root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so depending upon the radius value or nature of the radius or this term, okay, the square of the radius, we can find different type of radius, different type of circle, like that is the one is if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then we can call that the circle has a real radius, so we can call that it is the real circle. If g square plus f square minus c is equals to 0, then we call that it is the point circle, okay. And if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then we can call it a imaginary circle, or the circle does not exist, okay. This is the imaginary circle. So what is the intercept on the x and y axis made by the circle of this equation? That is the, if we plot this circle in the xy plane, we can get the graph of the circle something like that, okay. Then what is the length of this, okay, this, and what is the intercept of this, okay. So the intercept, so x intercept of the circle, x intercept is equals to root of 2 into root of g square minus c, and y intercept is equals to 2 into root of f square minus c, okay. So this length is nothing but 2 into root of g square minus c, and this length is nothing but 2 into root of f square minus c, okay. So now I will discuss that what is the equation of circle in diametric form. That is the, if a circle with the end point of the diameter are given, like if this is the diameter and this is the center of the circle, and the coordinate of the end point of the diameter is given as x1 and y1, and this is nothing but x2 y2, then what will be the equation of the circle directly, okay, using just these two coordinate, and it is nothing but x minus x1 into x minus x2, both x minus x1 into x minus x2, plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0.